Hey guys, welcome back. So I am starting this vlog off very late. It's like 5:30. I was exhausted. I was outside. I was just busy and yeah. I'm gonna go do a quick OOTD and a why I am not doing IPSY anymore and my new subscription box, and I'm gonna quick show you everything that I got from those two ones so you'll see why I went a different way. So here's my OOTD. I might change my shoes. I don't know where they go. But this is the outfit. I don't know if you can see the back of the shirt, but it's so cute. It has bows. Whoa, hello. But the shirt is from TJ Maxx a while ago. These shorts, Target or like PAWZ or something. And then these shoes I got last week. They are from Dunham's. So yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna quick show you why I am not doing IPSY. I must say I do love the bag for this month. Just butterflies, so cute for spraying and stuff. Card. So they came with a decent size lotion this time, but not too crazy about the scent. But it's from the brand Delectable, and it's in the scent coconut and cream. Something from Luna. It's just a eyeshadow, I believe, and I feel like I have something in this color. So my face looks red. Sorry. So it just looks like this, and it's in the shade Spiced Pumpkin, which is different once it's supposed to be spring. I would think this is more of a fall color. It's pretty, but I didn't know. I got a brush, very nice, gold, little brush from the brand RNL Mata. Very nice. And then we got a mud mask by the brand, I don't know, but got that. And then the last thing we got is a lippy from Dirty Little Secret. It's just an everyday lip color, and it's in the color Nude Beach. So it just looks like completely nude. You can't even see it. So that's what I got from IPSY, and I canceled it because I wanted to try something new, because I was kind of getting tired of getting like just samples. So I decided to get BoxyCharm, and let me just say I am so happy to get it. You get full-size items, and it's well worth $21 instead of just getting, you know, samples for $10. So I will show you, and I'll tell you the prices. So the first thing I got is the Brow Gal gel brow thing wand. I lost the package, but it's just a little wand that you do to do your eyebrows, and that was itself $22. So that already bought the whole box. The next thing I got is from Desi, I think, Desi. And it's just a lippy, and it just looks like this. And it's in the color, I don't know, but it's another nude one. So it's another nude, and I do love nudes and stuff. and that was $24. Then I got another like a mask, and it's for pore purifying vacuum cleaner kind. So, and it's in by Dr. Brandt, and it is $47. Holy moly. And then I got the Tarte Brow Glow, and I tried this out and in love. I will definitely be repurchasing this, and I got it in the shade Sunlight, I think. Oh, Stunner. So, let me show you. Comes out like that. I never had a liquid, what's it called? Highlighter. But it's so nice. If you guys want, I can have a makeup tutorial for all this stuff, because the last item I got was from ColourPop, and it's just an eyeshadow palette. It's the Elements of Surprise. Looks like this. You ready? It's so springy. Sorry, I'm like not out of the frame, but oh my gosh, so beautiful. Let's do a swatch on this color. This one is so pretty. It's like a mixture of like a purple, blue, pink. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's beautiful, and I'm so gonna play with this weekend, and who knows, maybe I'll show you guys. But yeah, that's all I got, and I'm so happy with what I got from BoxyCharm. I was very pleased. So that is why I am canceling my Ipsy and sticking with BoxyCharm. It might be a few dollars extra, but it's definitely well worth it, and makes me happy instead of a little disappointed, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I have a meeting to go to in like a few minutes, so I think I'm just gonna make this video short compared to yesterday's, and yeah, we'll catch up in the next video. I'll see you guys then. Bye.